How to fix a cyclic redundancy check error. So if you want to fix that, then what you need to do is just open up your File Explorer. Once you open up your File Explorer, you just need to simply go with the disk in which you're facing the problem, right click on it and go with Properties option. Once you go with Properties, you'll get this kind of interface. Click on the Tools tab. In the error checking section, click on the check button. You'll see a message window with the drive status. Click on Scan Drive option, and this will start checking any errors on your drive. The scanning process will take time to complete, and at the end of the scanning, you will see the status report. You can simply go with OK, and then again click on OK, and now remove this. And you can also check it from the command prompt window. So let's see the steps. First, you need to open up your command prompt and go with Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now you just need to simply type CHKDSK and then space /F space. Enter the name of the drive. For example, I'll be choosing the C drive and colon. And after that, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will check any error on your PC or your drive and fix it if it will be possible to fix by the Windows support. So that's how you can fix a cyclic redundancy error, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.